Good day, class. So our topic for today is Slovin's formula. So this Slovin's formula is quite popular, maybe because it is easy to use, and the computation is based almost solely on the population size. So again, when we are pertaining to the set of all people, may it be objects, events, or ideas that you want to investigate, then that is population. And then a sample naman refers to a subset of a population or just a part of a larger group, which is the population. So representative lang. So the Slovin's formula is given as follows. We have n equals n over 1 plus n squared. Okay, so we have small n, which is the sample size, and then big N represents the population size. And how about yung small e? Okay, it is the margin of error, which is mainly to be decided by the researcher. Now let's have our first example. So again, Slovin's formula, it is used to determine the appropriate number of respondents or samples in a survey. So this determination of sample size is based on the availability of the number of population. So without the actual value of a population, Slovin's formula is not appropriate. Okay, so now let us read the sample problem. Use Slovin's formula to find out what sample of a population of 1,000 people or students you need to take for a survey about financial problem. Okay, so if there are total population of 1,000 students, so how many samples or representative ang kailangan nyo for your survey? Alright, step 1. Okay, step 1 is the confidence level. So we will briefly discuss confidence level. So this is mainly for margin of error. So hindi naman pwedeng super accurate ng research. Meron talagang nilalaan na margin of error or yung tinatawag na mistake. And in order to determine that margin of error, we need to use confidence level. So mostly, ang ginagamit lang na confidence level ay from 90% to 99%. So here, our confidence level is 95%. So if you have 95%, ilan kaya ang natira sa 100%? Okay, so there is a difference of 5%. Okay, so that 5% is our alpha level or the margin of error. Which means that if you have 95% na magiging tama or accurate, then 5% naman para sa magiging error or mistake. Okay, so now let's get the equivalent decimal value of 5%. So we will just divide it by 100. Okay, 5% divided by 100 is equal to, okay, so we have 0.05. Okay, that's it. Now, if we have, for example, 98% confidence level, and then our alpha or margin of error is, what do you think? What percent? Okay, we will get what? Difference of 2%. Okay, minus lang sa 100. Okay, now, divide it by 100. And then we have 0.02. Okay, now that's our alpha level. So I hope you are getting the flow. Okay, for the next step, okay, let's substitute the given values as Slovin's formula. And we will be using 95% confidence level, which will give us alpha level or marginal error of 0.05. Okay, so our big N or the population size is 1,000 students. Now we will find the appropriate number of our respondents or sample size. Alright, now substitute the values. So 1,000 over 1 plus 1,000 times 0.05 squared, and then compute. Okay, so you have to use your calculator. Okay, unahin natin yung denominator. So we need to follow the hierarchy, diba? So follow the PEMDAS for solving. Okay, so remember when you were discussing the order of operations in math class, we use PEMDAS to arrive at the most correct answer. So PEMDAS, ibig sabihin parenthesis muna, and then exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so therefore, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, 0.05 squared. And then multiply the answer sa 1,000 and then add it sa 1. Okay, we will get what? So, we will get 3.5. Okay, we will get 3.5 sa denominator. So, now, 1,000 divided by 3.5 is equal to, okay, so you have to use one decimal place only. Okay, so the answer is 285.7. Okay, so for the next step, okay, remember that when determining the sample size, we always round up the resulting value to the next whole number. Kasi kunwari, we obtained a value of 285.7, meron bang student or representative na 0.7? Or kunwari, 0.5 lang. Okay, so we are referring sa tao, therefore, kailangan natin dito palagi ay whole number. Now, what's next? So, 285.7 will become okay, so therefore the correct answer is approximately 286. Okay, so instead of equal sign, we will utilize this symbol. Okay, 285.7 or approximately 286 or nearly or roughly 286. That's it. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, so reminder lang class, if there is no given a margin of error, then you will have to use 5%. Okay, it is same as if there is no available confidence level in the given problem, then we will use anong katumbas ng alpha level na 5%? Okay, so we will use confidence level of 95%. So by default, ang ginagamit natin na confidence level is 95%, and then for alpha level naman is from 5% na magiging 0.05. Okay, that's it. Now for our next example, so in the study, the size of the population is 2,000. Find the sample size with 97% confidence level. So what is the number of population or big N? Okay, 2,000. Then if you have a 97% confidence level, then your alpha level is, so 100% minus 97% is equal to 3%. Therefore, our alpha is, so if you divide 3 by 100, you will get 0.03. So that's our alpha level. Again, so you have to list the given values and then write the computing formula. Okay, so again, we have n equals n divided by 1 plus n is squared. Okay, so now substitute all the values. So magiging 2,000 over 1 plus 2,000 times 0.03 squared. Okay, now what will be the answer? Unahin natin yung nasa denominator. Again, gamitin natin si PEMDAS. So, unahin natin si parentheses. Okay, so 0.03 squared times 2,000 plus 1 is equal to Okay, so we will get 2.8. Okay. Okay, now 2,000 divided by 2.8 is equal to, so we will get 714.28. So, one decimal place only. So, pwedeng 714.2, which is approximately equal to, okay, so round it off sa next whole number. Then, the answer is, so 714 pa din. Kasi, yung kasunod niya ay 2, therefore, hindi maapektuhan yung 4. Okay, so 714. Okay, meaning, so out of your 2,000 population, ang kailangan niya lang for your survey or for the respondents ay 714. That's the end of our discussion. So, thank you for listening. Goodbye and God bless.